Well, IndusInd Bank has declared its Q4 FY22 numbers, and when we look at that net interest income number, it's coming at around just a shade below 4,000 crore. It's coming a good solid 12.5% higher, 5% sequential jump in that number. Pretty much in line with what we were expecting. In terms of other income, there's been a slightly higher bounce, 7% up. That other income number on a year-on-year basis coming above that 1900 crore mark and 7% on a higher base, so that's definitely good news. When we look at the PPOP, therefore, it's slightly higher. It's come in a shade below 3400 crore, that PPOP number. That's a good 8% rise on a year-on-year basis, 2% rise sequentially. When we look at provisions, they've come down 11.5% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. They've come in at 1463 crore, slightly above our estimates. And that is why PAT has come in absolutely in line. 1401 crore is where that PAT number stands at. That's a 51% jump on a year-on-year basis, almost 13% quarter-on-quarter. When we look at the NPA ratio as well, gross NPAs have come down by 1/5% in absolute terms, 0.21% lower. It's come in at 2.27%, and the net NPAs have come down by around 7 basis points down to that 0.64% mark. So asset quality consistently improving quarter after quarter. When we look at both sides of the balance sheet, good set of numbers, good growth. Advances grew 13%, deposits grew almost 14.5+%. So largely good set of numbers from IndusInd Bank. One part of the management commentary which was key was the fact that coming out of the Russia-Ukraine crisis, whether any of the diamond clients which IndusInd Bank has are going to be defaulting on their debt, or whether there is any possibility of any such defaults going forward or provisions. And to that, the management allayed any concerns around these factors and said that largely they don't see any risks with regard to loans given to diamond merchants emanating from the entire Russia-Ukraine crisis, and there's only a supply problem that's been created in that industry.